Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. With this beautiful quote by Mahatma Gandhi, I, Tanushree Das of class 9A, welcome you all to this session of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Today, I am here to deliver a speech on freedom fighters. Today, we all have the freedom to work, speak, and do whatever we want. However, the situation was not the same when India was ruled by Britishers. 70 years back, situations were so different. People were not allowed to do anything according to their wish. Those days of struggle, hardship, and suffering, the freedom fighters had the courage, the love for motherland to fight against the Britishers, to bring back freedom. We cannot even imagine what freedom is if freedom fighters would not have done their part back then. Freedom fighters were the people who selflessly sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. Few chose the path of nonviolence, while others chose violence to bring to an end to the British Empire in India. Every freedom fighter has contributed in their way, in their area, to end dominance and slavery. They are the symbols of patriotism and bravery. They are the people who did not care about their family but thought about the country for and fought for the significant cause. They are the ones who initiated the people who motivate the citizens of India to fight back for all the oppressions. They made the common people aware of their rights and their privileges. Many freedom fighters even went on war with the British government. The voice they raised against all the violence and injustice done to the Indians has gifted us freedom today. For this, they have faced a lot of hardship, pain, the sacrifice, which cannot be compared with anything else. Many of them lost their lives in this war against the foreigners. Every small and big effort made by them has resulted in the life we are living today. Non-cooperation movement by Mahatma Gandhi, Indian National Army by Subhash Chandra Bose, Inspiration to Youths by Chandrasekhar Azad, and many more have created a wave to unite the whole nation against the Britishers. Tantia Tope, Bhagat Singh, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Maulana Abdul Kalam, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many more will always be remembered for their contribution to their motherland. It is all our responsibility to pay tribute to our freedom fighters every day who gifted us with freedom. We all must remember their sacrifice, pain for our nation. So, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दो वाले